What up, book club babes? I am so happy that we are here today. It is Tuesday, June 30th, and we are wrapping up Pam E Squared by Pam Grout. Okay, we are here. Yay! This is it. This is the grand finale of our E Squared book club. And babe, I need you to drop something in the comments right now if you actually did at least one of Pam Grout's 9 experiments this month, because tonight or today it's not a recap, it's a receipt party. All right, let's get those party stickers going. Woohoo! All the way up. Yes. Party, party, party. Okay, so welcome to the Law of Attraction Book Club. If you're new here, we read one book a month about manifestation and law of attraction, and then we get together and we talk about it like the smart, spiritually curious humans that we happen to be. All right, so today's book is E Squared by Pam Grout. 9 do-it-yourself energy experiments that prove your thoughts create your reality, and I want to know, did yours? Drop a name, drop where you're joining us from. I see you, I see you, I see you. Okay. So, real quick, for anyone who just jumped in, E squared is Pam Grout's invitation to stop believing in the law of attraction as a concept and start proving it to yourself through actual experiments, like a scientist, except that the lab is your real life. All right. She calls the universal energy field of potentiality, or the FP. And her whole thesis is it's always working. It's non-prejudice. It's infinite and it's responding to you, what you are broadcasting, not what you're hoping for, what you're actually broadcasting. All right, so there are 9 experiments in the book, and each one gives you a 48-hour window to ask the FP for a specific verifiable result. And then you watch what happens. So drop a hi in the comments if you did experiment number 1, or a me, the one where you just literally just ask the universe to send you a sign, any sign within 48 hours. All right. This is my favorite part. We're opening up the receipt drawer. And here's what I love about Pam's approach. Like, she doesn't ask you to just believe, she asks you to test it. So I want to hear what happened when you tested it. I'm going to go first because that's only fair. So I asked I asked for a sea turtle. And of course, I live in New York, so no chance of me seeing a sea turtle here. However, I have an app on my iPad, and the very next, um, uh, it's a coloring app, coloring. And the very next one that came up, the next picture had a sea turtle, was pictures of 2 sea turtles. So that was pretty cool. Um, so that's my receipt, and the universe showed up, and I wrote it down, and I am submitting that as evidence. So now I want yours. I want you to drop your experiment number and what happened in the comments. And I'm reading every single one, 1 through 9. Doesn't matter which one it is. All right, so here's what Pam has to say about these things. She says most of us have spent decades, can you imagine that? Decades practicing the opposite, broadcasting worry, doubt, the worst case scenario. And FP is like, okay, well, cool. I'll just match that frequency. It doesn't judge, it just mirrors what you're putting out, right? It just reflects it right back to you. So if you're putting out poo poo, guess what? Poo poo's coming right back to you. So, if the experiment didn't work or didn't work the way you expected, the question isn't, did the law fail? The question has to be, what was I actually broadcasting? Okay, so I want to spend a few minutes on the experiment that I think tripped people up the most. And honestly, that might have been number 2, the Volkswagen Jetta principle. The idea is this: whatever you expect to see, you see more of, right? So you think about a specific car, and suddenly it's everywhere. I bought a white Jeep, and then suddenly I see white Jeeps everywhere, to the point that I actually sometimes almost jump into one that does not belong to me. All right. They're everywhere. Pam says it's not a cute coincidence. It's proof that you're filtering reality through your beliefs and expectations, right? Your RAS, your reticular activating system, is doing what it was designed to do. What you look for, you find always without fail. And the scary flip side of that is if you're expecting disappointment or rejection or scarcity, the FP is like coming right up. All right. So drop a little car if the jet experiment low key broke your brain a little because it could. It could. I could see that. All right. Now, experiment number 6, the superhero principle, is the one that I want everyone to sit with going forward. The idea that your thoughts and consciousness literally impact matter. And there's a science behind this. Experiments on plants, on water, on measurable outcomes, right? Your attention changes things, not your attitude, your actual attention. So if you have a plant and you are speaking loving words to it, you are breathing on it, you're feeding it water and sunlight, you are playing beautiful music for it, it's going to respond positively to you and it's going to flourish. And the same thing with people, right? If you're loving on people, speaking light and love into them, they are going to flourish. They're going to reflect back everything that you're giving to them, which means that what you pay attention to in your life right now is actually growing. So good or bad, it's growing. So what are we focusing on? Are we focusing on the good or the bad? On the positive or the negative? Okay, so here we are. We're sliding in the home stretch, and I want to leave you with something that you can actually use. So Pam ends this book with 3 things she wants you to remember. Just 3 things. So I'm going to read them to you because they are that good. Number 1, always remember you are awesome. Whether you realize it or not, you are a tremendously powerful, energetic being. Currents of possibilities run deep through your bones. Number 2, the great field of potentiality is absolutely unlimited. Absolutely anything is possible. All it takes is the willingness to open your mind. Number 3, we are all in this together. The real joy comes from tackling the journey together, from raising our voices in one mighty, unified woohoo. Like she literally wrote the word woohoo. I absolutely love this woman. So here's what I want you to do. In the comments, I want you to drop the one principle from this book, just one that you're taking with you. It could be an experiment that you're going to actually commit to this time. It could be the phrase, I don't give airtime to the reality that you're trying to escape. It could literally just be focus expands, whatever landed for you. And these are your receipts for the next chapter, loves. You are already writing them. So choose carefully, choose inspired, live inspired. All right. So this is what I want you to know as we close out. You read a book this month about the idea that thoughts create your reality, and then you actually tried to prove it. And that's not a small thing. Like most people read law of attraction content and nod along and then go back to their same lives, their same frequency, and then wonder what happened. I read the book, I understood it, but did you actually apply it, right? You tested it. You are different. That means the FP is already working with fresh data on you. So next month we are reading, that next month would be tomorrow, we are reading Beyond Wanting by Matt Cook. And I am so freaking excited because he's a little scientific nerd like me and a little mathematics nerd like me. And if you are not yet in the Law of Attraction book club on the school community, the link is in my bio. And it's the best decision you're ever going to make today. And the universe would likely like for you to click it immediately. So I love you. I see you. I believe in your receipts. Now, one more time, say it with me. Woohoo! Okay, that's all I have for today. I will catch up with you tomorrow with the introduction to Beyond Wanting by Matt Cook. Toodles!